Foaming bio-enzymatic drain treatments break down the organic sludge that breeds drainfly larvae so you can stop the problem at its source. Use a targeted enzyme drain cleaner and foaming applicator designed for household drains and follow the labeled directions for dosage and contact time, because effectiveness depends on enzymes reaching the organic film rather than just flushing it. Start by removing visible debris from the grate or stopper and run a short mechanical cleaning using a narrow bottle brush or a long flexible drain brush down to the trap to dislodge compacted material so the foam can penetrate deeper. Apply the foam so it contacts the vertical walls of the pipe in the trap. Leave it undisturbed for the recommended dwell time, which is often several hours or overnight, and do not run water during that period so the enzymes remain concentrated on the biofilm. After the dwell time, run a steady stream of hot water for several minutes to flush digested residues downstream, which helps prevent reattachment and restores flow. Repeat treatments weekly until you see a sustained drop in adult flies and a reduction in larval sightings, then move to a monthly maintenance dose to prevent reaccumulation. For persistent cases, inspect nearby floor drains, overflow drains, and shower or laundry traps because drain flies travel to lay eggs where organic buildup exists and treat all affected drains in a coordinated way. Common mistakes include treating only the visible sink while ignoring other breeding sites, which lets the population persist. So survey and treat every drain that feeds the same waistline. Another issue is using short contact times or running water immediately after application, which dilutes the enzymes, so resist running taps and allow the full dwell period and only flush with hot water after the recommended time. A third mistake is relying solely on chemicals without physically removing compacted sludge, because enzymes cannot act effectively on thick, hardened deposits. So, scrub accessible traps and use a drain snake or brush before foaming to expose fresh organic surface for digestion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and useful project information related to drain and plumbing nuisance pests, and our discussion community lets members share real-world experiences with products and techniques. We help contractors find homeowner projects through our listings and let them participate in community conversations to demonstrate expertise and learn common homeowner concerns.